Hey, welcome back guys. It's October 11th, 2019 and it's a nice balmy 36 degrees outside. I just wanted to show you a salad plug place around here called Mad Greens. The sport just cooks beets really well. Okay, the reason I'm cooking beets is not because it's so close to Halloween. The reason is that there is a store, a food store called Mad Greens, and they make a salad that I really love. It's called the Crazy Ivan, and I'm going to show you all of the key elements of the Crazy Ivan. Big ups to Mad Greens. Go there if you're lucky enough to have one close to you. For me, it's about a 45-minute drive to get there, so whenever I'm in the area, I always stop and get this particular salad, but it's not practical for me to drive out there all the time. So, like I said before, this is gonna be quite a bit more beets than I need for this just one application. So this will probably make 4 or 5 salads. Okay, maybe 3 to 4. And it is 10:48, so let's get this thing popping. Alright. It is darn right cold out here. Not as cold as it was last night though. It was like 15 degrees last night. Okay, it's coming along. I'm just running errands though, and I don't have time to check these, so I'm gonna just let it steam for a little while. Alright, we are steaming. Okay, so these are gonna be the perfect consistency. And, nice 193. This unit really is the perfect unit for cooking beets because you kind of want to steam it and cook it at the same time. So primary ingredients in the Crazy Ivan, which I love so much, which is why I made this video, kind of. It's chicken. So we'll go ahead and take our chicken, put it in there, because this is going to work with me. I'm already a couple minutes late. Goat cheese. I love this brand of goat cheese, but if you can find a crumbled goat cheese, oh, it's just so good. So we'll go ahead and throw that on there. That's the end of that. Okay, now the next ingredient is pepitas, which apparently are pumpkin seeds, some sort. So you can do them like that, or what I like to do is I like to take them, put a little bit of olive oil, so I can get a nice seasoning. Whatever you like for seasoning works, and that just kind of allows it to stick to the pepitas, and then just give it a quick little stir. Okay, now I haven't quite actually figured out the cherry. It's called cherry molasses, so we'll just go with this balsamic vinaigrette. That's what's so great about this container, is it just allows you to keep all your ingredients separate. Okay, now the piece de resistance is the beets. So we'll just take a portion of beets. I don't need that many. And there you go, Crazy Ivan. We'll go ahead and put the rest of these beets in a separate container. But I'm going to let that cool off a little bit before I put plastic over it.